One of the fun things you'll be able to do at the Art Van 8 West Pajama Party is take a few minutes to make yourself look younger.
Carlson Laser Aesthetics is giving discounts on Botox and microdermabrasion. So today we've asked Nisha McKenzie to come in and talk about their products. And Nisha does Botox, and there will also be a microdermabrasion available at the party.
Yes. Yeah, so we've talked to you about Botox before, and actually today you're going to go through the process in studio to kind of explain what it's going to be like for someone who goes to the party and decides to get it done, right, Nisha?
Yeah, this is Linda. She's one of our loyal Facebook followers, and she's agreed to come in and let us do this, so that to show everybody what we're going to be doing at the pajama party. Linda's going to have what we call, we tactfully call her 11s.
Those like brown areas where you're like, okay.
Right here.
Okay.
Some people tend to call those the 11s. So she's going to have those treated. It's in the glabella region. So she's been icing a little bit, so she's a little pink. I'm just going to kind of clean off her forehead. Typically people will take approximately 20 units to start in this area. Okay. And then we typically see them back in a week or two and just check to see how they're doing. The Botox will kick in approximately 3 to 7 days.
Okay, so we're not going to see it instantaneously.
So it's a lag time.
Yes. Okay. No, you won't see a change today. In about a week, and you'll see some improvement. So if she comes to the pajama party, then you'll be able to tell.
Yeah, exactly. That's wonderful. It's so nice, too. You're offering discounts on what you're doing. It's a better rate if you go and get it done at the pajama party than if you do at your office, right?
Typically, it's $12 a unit. And like I said, average is about 20 units, depending on what area we're doing. And Linda, like I said, we're doing this glabella region. We can do the frontalis muscle right up here. We can do crow's feet. There's a lot of different places in the face that we can treat. But for Linda, we'll do it right here. And 20 units is typically the average. So $10 a unit is what they'll pay at the pajama party.
So it'd be about $200. And would someone have to come for then another appointment, or that's like a one-time and that's all that it takes?
That's the initial treatment. Botox lasts approximately 3 to 4 months, depending on how strong the muscle is. So typically we see people back in a week or two to see how their response was and see if they need a touch-up. And then in 3 or 4 months they'll come and have their second treatment.
Okay. Well, all right, we're going to get started.
So we're just going to grab, this is called her procerus muscle. We're just going to grab right onto that and poke right into there. Give her a couple of units there.
You are a physician assistant.
I am.
You'll be doing it at the party as well as Dr. Carlson as well.
The physician assistant and the physician in our office do the Botox.
Okay. And this is something that people will be able to sign up for when they arrive at the pajama party, and maybe they'll want to do that off the top when they get there?
They should probably sign up first, because we only have a limited amount of spots that we can do this in. So if they want that price, then they should probably sign up when they get there. And
so then make a V-line for your area.
Exactly. We'll be waiting for them. There will be a sign-up sheet when they get there.
And what better time to give it a try at the pajama party with everybody else? Maybe it'll be the first time, maybe not the first time, but
sometimes there's safety in numbers.
I was going to say,
if it's something new that you're going to try and be able to go and get some friends that are actually going to try it all together.
Moral support with all of your lady friends.
We're going to make our way over to talk to Allie, and we're going to talk to her about microdermabrasion. We have a patient here named Gretchen. Allie, can you explain a little bit about microderm? What is that?
What the microderm is it's going to help smooth out fine lines, wrinkles, pores, and texture. Our tip is diamond tone. Has little tiny diamond particles. That's going to just help exfoliate, and then there's suction behind it. When we turn it on, it will just slowly exfoliate that and to smooth it out. Helps with acne, scarring, chicken pox. We're going to be doing them for $25 at the party.
That's nice. I've actually had this done. This actually feels like a little piece of sandpaper.
Yeah.
That is gently going, and it takes off some of that rough layers.
A lot of people say it feels like a vacuum on your face.
A very small one, not a large one.
Right.
That wouldn't be good otherwise.
Yeah. Got to refine that picture just a little bit. So this is something else that will be available at the pajama party, something else that you should sign up for pretty quickly when you arrive, just to make sure that you're able to solidify a spot.
So once you get this done, and maybe you want to keep up the effects of the microdermabrasion, how often do you recommend going to get it done?
It's definitely a maintenance procedure. We do it about once a month would be ideal, just to help keep up that fresh, soft look of your face.
Yeah, just keep yourself looking young.
We're going to start it off right here. And ideally, we like to do about 2 passes on the face. Does that feel okay?
And so how long will this take?
It's a relatively quick procedure. It's usually about 30 minutes with a little facial massage at the end.
Sounds nice.
Okay. Yeah. And who will be doing these at the pajama party? Will it be yourself?
Yes, myself and our nurse, Sandy.
Right.
Okay.
So, but the offerings don't stop here. You're also going to be doing paraffin treatments?
Yes. Hand treatment.
Nice. And that's complimentary. So
Those are complimentary, and those are fun. They just help your hands feel soft, and they actually use it medically too for carpal tunnel and arthritis. And
I've had the paraffin hand treatments before. They're very nice.
yeah, they feel great.
Very soothing, and your hands feel so soft, especially in the winter when it's so cold and everything tends to dry out very quickly.
It's a fun little pampering.
Yeah, definitely. And that's what the night is going to be all about. So thank you so much for coming in and giving us some examples of what people may want to sign up for right when they get to the party, because it's going to fill up fast. Yeah, there are going to be a lot of people there.